Hello. Today, I'll show you how to embroider a snowflake on a Christmas ornament. I'll be demonstrating on a sock. To protect the other side of the sock, I'll insert a piece of cardboard inside. Using a tapestry needle and a single strand of yarn, let's get started. First, create the vertical branches by stitching evenly from the center outward. Repeat the process to add horizontal branches, keeping the stitch length consistent for symmetry. Next, add spikes. Work left, right, and middle spikes for each branch. Continue clockwise until all branches are completed.
With a twinkle in his eye, he'll make the time just fly. Every morning brings surprise, bringing smiles and joyful sighs. Christmas time is not just for me, as you all can see, as you all can see. Christmas time is meant to be, as you all can see, as you all can see. With a twinkle in his eye, he'll make the time just fly. Every morning brings surprise, bringing smiles and joyful sighs. With a twinkle in his eye, he'll make the time just fly. Every morning brings surprise, bringing smiles and joyful sighs. So welcome.
For the final touches, create darts. Start at the center, making darts that are half the length of the branches.
Through the winter by your side, cherish every single day, with your elf to light the way, making memories so sweet, until next year when you'll meet. Christmas time
Secure them with small stitches to hold them in place.
can see, as you all can see. Christmas time is meant to be, as you all can see, as you all can see.
Your snowflake design is ready. This technique works great for socks, mittens, or hats. Feel free to check out my patterns for these items in the links below. Wishing you a Merry Christmas!